Okay, so in this video we want to download Packet Tracer to get started. So we're going to open Chrome, we're going to type in Cisco Packet Tracer, we'll do download Packet Tracer from the Cisco Networking Academy, and we are going to have to enroll in a short course where we're going to have to give our email. Okay, so we went through the process and we've downloaded Packet Tracer. Just use the latest version. Accept the agreement for these items and then install. And we'll go ahead and let it launch. Now you do have to set up a user login when you download Packet Tracer, and that's how we're going to connect here. And I'll pause. We'll allow access. Okay, and now we're ready to set up a topology. And to use Packet Tracer, you need to know a little bit about the devices that you're going to be using. For what we're going to use, we'll probably use a couple of 2620s. Actually, maybe we'll just do a number of those, and I'm going to go in and look at the devices. So right now we don't have any network modules or anything, and I'll go ahead and put a cover on. I do need to turn the power off. Power button on this one is over here, so we'll turn the power off. We're not going to put any network modules in, so I'm going to put the cover on there. We're going to put in a couple of WIC 2Ts. That is going to give us 2 serials on each of those. After we get those cards in, we're going to go ahead and power the device up, and then we can go to the command line interface. So all of the programming that we're going to do in this series is going to be done from the iOS command line. We're not going to enter the initial configuration dialog, and so at this particular point now we hit return, and now we're ready to actually configure this device. So what I'm going to do is actually close this device, and I can Control C and Control V, and I can create a number of other devices that are using, that have the network modules set up the same way. So in this scenario, I've got 4 connections across my wide area network, and then we'll need to put up some other devices as well here. Now we're going to connect these devices together with serial connections, and I'm going to do, we'll start by connecting from, let's do 00 to possibly 00. Let's double check here really quickly and look at our topology, 00 to 00. And then we have from 01 to 01 and from 00 to 00. Now I'm using this particular topology as an example. We're not going to do the firewall, the ASA, but we will do a number of these other devices here. So we have an edge router currently. We can go ahead and let's do our internal router here, and then let's switch down here. Let's see if we can find for a switch. Okay, so those look fine. So let's go ahead and paste that over. And then we need some end devices, so we're going to need a number of computers that we're going to put here. Let's see how many we need to match. We've got and we have a generic server sitting here. Okay, and then we'll need connectivity for that. And so we'll do straight through from these. So 1, 1. And then we'll do from 2. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 to this particular server, and then we'll do 1, 2, and a crossover cable here, and we'll go from 11 to 11. We'll take 10, and then we could put a to serial 2 sort of scenario here. That kind of gets the same scenario there. Okay, so now we've set up our topology and we're ready to start programming. We do want to go ahead and we'll go to save this as a packet tracer file, and we'll call this R&S, routing and switching, and we'll save that.